you ever noticed how difficult it is to concentrate these days? You're not alone. Many people find themselves struggling to focus, even on tasks they used to enjoy. In this video, we'll explore why our brains seem less capable of sustained attention than ever before. We'll look at the science behind focus, the impact of our modern environment, and what you can do to reclaim your attention. Let's start by understanding what focus really means and why it's so essential for our daily lives. Focus is the ability to direct your mental energy toward a specific task or thought, filtering out distractions. It's what allows you to read a book, solve a problem, or have a meaningful conversation. Without focus, even simple activities become challenging. Our brains are naturally wired to pay attention, but in today's world, maintaining that focus is harder than ever. Let's dive into the reasons why. One of the biggest culprits behind our declining focus is technology. Smartphones, social media, and constant notifications bombard us with information every minute. Each ping or alert pulls our attention away from what we're doing, making it difficult to concentrate for long periods. Our brains are not designed to handle this level of stimulation, and over time, it becomes harder to tune out the noise. Many people believe they can multitask effectively, but research shows our brains aren't built for it. When we try to juggle multiple tasks, our attention becomes fragmented. Instead of doing several things well, we end up doing everything poorly. This constant switching drains our mental energy and makes it even harder to focus on one thing at a time. We live in an age of information overload. Every day, we're exposed to more data than our ancestors encountered in a lifetime. News, emails, messages, and social media updates all compete for our attention. Our brains struggle to process this constant stream, leading to mental fatigue and reduced focus. Every time you check your phone or get a new notification, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This creates a reward loop, making you crave more stimulation. Over time, your brain becomes addicted to these quick hits of pleasure, making it harder to focus on tasks that require sustained attention. Studies show that our attention spans are shrinking. The average person now struggles to focus on a single task for more than a few minutes. This isn't just a personal failing, it's a result of our environment and habits. The more we give in to distractions, the harder it becomes to concentrate for extended periods. Stress is another major factor that affects our ability to focus. When we're stressed, our brains go into survival mode, making it difficult to concentrate on anything other than the source of our anxiety. Chronic stress can even damage the parts of the brain responsible for attention and memory. Lack of sleep is a silent focus killer. When you don't get enough rest, your brain can't function at its best. Memory, attention, and decision-making all suffer. Prioritizing good sleep is one of the simplest ways to improve your ability to concentrate. What you eat can also impact your focus. Diets high in sugar and processed foods can lead to energy crashes and brain fog. On the other hand, balanced meals with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats support brain health and sustained attention. Regular exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Physical activity increases blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your brain. This helps improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. Mindfulness practices like meditation can help train your brain to focus better. By bringing your attention back to the present moment, you strengthen the mental muscles responsible for concentration. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Your environment plays a huge role in your ability to focus. Noisy, cluttered, or chaotic spaces make it harder to concentrate. Creating a calm, organized workspace can help your brain settle and stay on task. Social media platforms are designed to capture and hold your attention. The endless scroll, likes, and notifications keep you coming back for more. This constant engagement makes it difficult to focus on anything else, training your brain to seek novelty instead of depth. Being always connected means we're rarely fully present. Work emails, group chats, and online updates follow us everywhere. This constant connectivity fragments our attention and makes it hard to enter a state of deep focus. Scientists have discovered that focus involves several brain regions working together. The prefrontal cortex, in particular, is responsible for directing attention and filtering distractions. When this system is overloaded, our ability to concentrate suffers. Our daily habits shape our ability to focus. Reaching for your phone every few minutes or constantly switching tasks trains your brain to expect interruptions. Building better habits like setting aside time for deep work can help restore your attention span. Spending time in nature or taking breaks away from screens can help restore your brain's ability to focus. These moments of rest allow your mind to recharge, making it easier to concentrate when you return to your tasks. Believe it or not, boredom is good for your brain. When you allow yourself to be bored, your mind has a chance to wander and process information. This downtime is essential for creativity and focus, but our constant stimulation rarely lets us experience it. Focusing on one task at a time, also known as single tasking, can dramatically improve your productivity and attention span. By giving your full attention to one thing, you train your brain to resist distractions and work more efficiently. Setting boundaries with technology and people is crucial for protecting your focus. This might mean turning off notifications, scheduling focused work periods, or letting others know when you're unavailable. Boundaries help create the space you need to concentrate. Clear goals give your brain a target to focus on. When you know what you're working toward, it's easier to ignore distractions and stay on track. Setting specific, achievable goals can help you harness your attention and make progress. Routines help automate your day, reducing the mental effort needed to decide what to do next. When your brain isn't constantly making decisions, it has more energy to focus on important tasks. Establishing routines can make deep work a regular part of your life. Lighting, noise, and even the color of your surroundings can influence your ability to focus. Small changes like adding plants or adjusting your workspace can make a big difference in your concentration levels. Interruptions are a part of life, but how you handle them matters. Having a plan for getting back on track, like taking a deep breath or reviewing your to-do list, can help you regain your focus quickly. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining focus. Short pauses give your brain a chance to rest and reset, making it easier to concentrate when you return to your work. Try the Pomodoro technique or simply step outside for a few minutes. Too much screen time can exhaust your brain and make it harder to focus. Setting limits on your device use, especially before bed, can help your mind unwind and improve your attention span. Just like physical muscles, your focus can be strengthened with practice. Start with short periods of deep work and gradually increase the time. Over weeks and months, you'll find it easier to concentrate for longer stretches. If you find it impossible to focus despite your best efforts, it may be time to seek professional help. Conditions like ADHD or anxiety can make concentration especially challenging, but support and treatment are available. In today's world, distractions are everywhere, but you don't have to let them control your life. By understanding how your brain works and making small changes to your habits and environment, you can reclaim your focus. Remember, attention is a skill. When you can improve with practice and patience, start today and take back control of your mind.